What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Recently did a little repair on the CBR. This thing got so much faster. So what happened was the power commando box was kind of loose, and I didn't know that I was running this bike and it was misfiring the whole time. And I finally fixed the misfire issues. God damn, this bike is fucking fast. Woo! Now I can finally feel like the full potential of this bike. Because the whole fucking time, that shit was misfiring the whole fucking time. Woo! It feels so good. And now it sounds so much more like solid. Got to be careful on that corner, boy. Corner is so dangerous. Woo! That felt good. That felt super good. Oh my god! Holy fuck, this thing is fast. Damn! Damn! Yo, it just scared me a little bit though, coming around that corner going that fast. Whew. I got my heart beating. For sure, for sure. It's extremely fun though. Owning a fast bike is just super fun, but also at the same time it's fucking super dangerous. Although, god damn. That full titanium exhaust, I'll tell you guys what, this thing is cracking. It's cracking, man. This thing is so freaking loud, but it sounds so good. Let's go. Let's go. You will get the result that you want if you stay consistent. But if you give up too fast, then probably not gonna know your full potential, because you haven't you haven't pursued the full stretch of the enduro, the endeavor. So make sure you go all the way live. Today is such a nice day today. Perfect day to ride. So fuck, why does it take it so long? The fuck? Bruh. Should about to take like 20 years for this light. Here we go. This bike is so fucking fast. I feel like Sonic on this bike. Now I know how Sonic feels when he runs really fast. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. This bike is so much fun. So much fun.